Colin was a loser and he never held a job. Then Granny Franny snuffs at leaving him a house and dog. She's left him out of bed from pampering the pet. This cowboy needs a job fast. Local radio wants a DJ, then they like shot. But they need a DJ for the language slot. He can't speak the tongue, he's really in the dark. It's a dog, so I wanna think, oh wait, the dingo speaks the lingo.
Agus an Aberant FM Shogov Wasple Sex Drive? Have you been messing with my playlist again?
I couldn't handle any more Brian Kennedy.
Ow! Weird.
That's weird. I thought I parked right outside. What's going on?
I think that running very fast might be in order. I told you, you should have it serviced. Quick, in here.
Don't worry, I can't come in. It's under 18. So hang on a second. You're saying that it's not just my car that's gone loopy. Electrical devices all over town have gone haywire and started attacking people for no reason?
My George Formby grill flew across the room and tried to griddle me face off.
My ladyship went on a rampage at the station, slaughtered everyone.
My TV set forced me to watch a whole episode of The Farm.
Dar Krishka.
What the hell's happening?
Jiffy'd spit at the tarl.
It's the aliens, I tell you.
No, don't tell him to shut up. What if he's right? What if we're the only ones left?
Dar Krishka, Kajilum.
It's probably just some elaborate hoax. Like that bloke in the 30s, Orson Welles, fooled everyone into thinking the Martians had landed just with a radio broadcast.
He lived his life backwards, you know.
What?
Yeah. Started his career writing, directing and starring in Citizen Kane and ended up doing an advert for Fish Fingers.
I like fish fingers.
Dar Kishke, listen to you all, bunch of nannies. You might be happy to sit here all day gibbering on about aliens and fish fingers and the like. But me, I say we make a stand against these ungodly bunch of factory recalls. We make these consumer products, and by God, we can destroy them!
Oh my goodness! What is it?
I think it's Bon Jovi.
It's how she would want it to go.
What's it like out there?
Like a really scary Antiques Roadshow.
Taramach! For while in Lord's live.
Oh my gosh, he wants to speak with us.
Oh my goodness, we're all gonna die!
Oh my gosh, the lager's off.
I say we draw straws. Whoever loses goes out there and tries to reason with them. In Irish.
Sounds fair to me. What were the odds?
Try fotheidil. It means welcome. And remember, the fate of the entire world may depend on your being able to communicate this simple phrase.
No problem.
Agus an Aberant FM Shogov AC/DC le ball breaker.
Oh, I had a really funny dream. I dreamt all these inanimate objects came to life and...
Do not mess with my playlist!